Hi dear, welcome you again to our program this day. Today we want to talk about hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy, traditional hydrotherapy. In those days, Africans depended on water treatment for all of their diseases. Today, because of the amount of time it needs, people are not patient enough to use the water treatment. Nevertheless, we want to explain to you the wonderful work that hydrotherapy is doing for us in my setup in the army. Today, I want to talk about the hot foot bath. Hot foot bath. What is it? You immerse your feet in hot water, hot enough, but not so as to burn the skin. The water should cover the ankles. All right. So immersing the feet in hot water. That is hot foot bath. It can be done all by itself, or it can be one of several other treatments, several other things we do. But right now we're going to demonstrate hot foot bath by itself. What do we use hot foot bath for? For headaches. All right. We use it for nose bleeding. We use it for congestion of the brain. We use it for body pains, pains anywhere in the body. We use it for the circulation of blood. Okay? We use the hot foot bath for when a patient needs to relax in order to be able to sleep at night. The hot foot bath. What do we need for it? Well, we need a chair that the patient will sit on. Then we need a basin in which we will put hot water. We will need a container of hot water from where we take hot water to put on the basin. We will need a towel. A small hot towel. We soak this in cold water and place it on the forehead. For you see, when we do this application, as the entire body is heated, you don't want the brain to be heated. So we place a cold towel on the forehead that will help to keep the brain cool while the entire body is heated. We need a blanket to cover the patient so that the heat is restricted to the entire body of the patient. And of course, in addition to needing a hot water, we also need a cold water. Cold water for the towel that will go on the forehead. So that's all we need for the hot foot bath. And so we can demonstrate how this application can be made at home. Water for the feet. And that is put so have the feet in the hot water blanket. Now the blanket covers the feet and the body so that the heat is restricted to the body. Then we apply the cold towel on the head to keep the brain cool. That's how simple the hot foot bath is. Now, every 3 or 4 minutes, we increase the temperature of the water. Very simply, this. Come on, do it. We increase the water. Put in. You let. Okay. All right. Yeah. And every 2 minutes, you also change the headgear, the head towel, to continue to keep the brain cool. You may increase the temperature of the water 3 to 5 times. Those 5 cycles completes the treatment. This is good. It can easily be done at home in the comfort of your bathroom. It will take care of body pains anywhere in the whole system. Takes care of nose bleeding, takes care of fever, congestion in the brain, congestions anywhere in the body, helps with the proper circulation of blood all over the body. It is a treatment of choice. And for the rural areas, people who live in rural communities in Africa, this is the best of treatments that you can do. Sometimes you can do it every week, once a week, and you keep away infections. You keep away bacterial, viral, all kinds of things that could come in by the simple treatment of the use of water. Now, when the treatment is done, the effect of the hot water on the feet is to open the pores on the feet. The pores in the feet are all open. So when we are done with the treatment, we bring back the condition of the body back to what it was before you started. You make sure the pores are closed back. How do we do that? As we are done, remove the legs. Then we get cold water on the feet. That is cold on the feet to make sure that the pores in the feet are closed back in order to prevent infections. Then the patient is done and can either have a shower or have a cold towel rub all over the body. That's the simple hydrotherapy of hot foot bath.